Today we're showing you the new upright model BD425 beer and wine matching fridges. Designed for versatility, you can choose cold drinks, just wine, or a combination of both. With 2 years development, we now have quiet operation, low running costs, quality parts, stunning looks, and plenty of versatility with drink storage options. The two units are built exactly the same, the only difference being the shelving, beer or wine. The beer fridge has 7 strong, fully adjustable shelves that can hold 2 cases of Corona beer on each shelf. Shelving is slide-out ball bearing type, so you can interchange a beer shelf with a wine shelf if needed, or vice versa. Shelving can also adjust up and down, so you can build the fridge perfectly to suit your favourite drinks. The LED lighting is soft blue and is fitted to both inner sides as well as the inner roof. The door has an alarm system, so if you accidentally leave it open, you have a chance to salvage your drinks. Controller can adjust temperature from 1 to 18 on both units and gives a very stable operation. The door is reversible, meaning you can have either left or right hand hinged. It also has triple glazed low E glass, which not only helps prevent condensation when the humidity is high, it keeps the cold air in longer, meaning less run times and hence saving you energy. The triple glazing also means the noise from the inner fan is much less, making it fine for indoor entertaining areas. The wine fridge itself has 14 shelves that hold 9 standard Bordeaux bottles each, and a smaller 3/4 shelf at the bottom which holds 9 bottles also in a honeycomb arrangement. This allows bottles to rest and minimises vibration. The sliding saddles can move left or right, meaning you can fit any size bottles on one shelf without any of the bottles touching. A great feature that is now extremely popular. The Lockable Slimline door is unique and looks very classy. It opens within the diameter of the fridge, meaning if you build it into a wall cavity, it can have a nice sleek look. The unit is front venting through the bottom grille, so you can install with no ventilation around the unit, which is really great for modern day popular seamless looks that people are going for now. Overall, it's a great product with so many features. We offer a 2-year Australia-wide comprehensive warranty. We come to you. It's not back to base, it's not parts only like most other sellers. We come to you to repair the unit. Contact us today via email or phone, as you can see below on the screen.